everyone, this is VD. Today I'm going to show you how the ViDiLOOK app works. With this app you can make a profit simply by watching videos that specializes in advertising and promotion for major companies around the world. Every one of our users can make a profit by simply watching the advertised video. Let's start with a brief introduction to VDL tokens. VDL is a digital token for the global advertising industry, created by ViDiLOOK's technical team using blockchain technology. Each user can earn VDL tokens by watching videos with just a little bit of traffic every day. Tokens can be exchanged for cash in US dollars at any time, and the price will keep rising as ViDiLOOK users continue to grow. Download the app, register, and complete the newbie task now so you can receive a VDL tokens reward worth $5 for free. Log in to watch an advertisement every day, and you can make a net profit of VDL tokens worth 15 cents. So how can you get more VDL tokens? Just sign up to our viewer and get 3% of your investment in ad share every day. Our viewers are divided into 4 levels: 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, and 4-star. Invest $50 to become a 1-star viewer. Earn up to $100 worth of VDL tokens. Get $1.50 worth of VDL tokens per day. Invest $150 to become a 2-star viewer. Earn up to $450 worth of VDL tokens. Get $4.50 worth of VDL tokens per day. Invest $500 to become a 3-star viewer. Earn up to $2,000 worth of VDL tokens. Get $15 worth of VDL tokens per day. Invest $1,500 to become a 4-star viewer. Earn up to $7,500 worth of VDL tokens. Get $45 worth of VDL tokens per day. These profits are risk-free and are a share of the advertising revenue. If you sell the VDL you earn each day on the exchange, you will then get the equivalent value in US dollars. But there's one more profitable way that I want to share with you guys, and that is to hold your VDL tokens for a little bit longer. Because VDL can only be generated by watching ads, it's like a closed blockchain mining system that generates a very scarce amount of VDL. And every ad order on the blockchain consumes VDL. So the price of VDL will keep rising for a long time, and it's compounding. If you hold it for 1 month, the value will go up by 50 to 80%, and for 3 months, it will go up by 900%. If the initial capital is $1,000, after 3 months, it will be $9,000. So don't sell your VDL easily. Hold on and let them bring you more fortune than you can imagine. Collecting VDL through acquisition is hard, even if you offer a high price. It is hard to find a seller because everyone knows the value of VDL and therefore are not willing to sell them easily. So please keep in mind that the most reliable way to get VDL tokens is to become a member of ViDiLOOK Viewer. Join ViDiLOOK and turn your mobile traffic into real money.